Bongo Cat, the popular open source audio visualizer, can crash on startup due to several reasons. The most common causes include system compatibility issues, unmet software dependencies like an outdated or missing Java runtime environment, conflicts with other software, or insufficient system resources. System compatibility issues occur when Bongo Cat doesn't work with your operating system version or hardware setup. Unmet software dependencies, such as an outdated or missing Java runtime environment, prevent Bongo Cat from running properly. Conflicts with other software, such as antivirus programs or overlays, can interfere with Bongo Cat's operation. Insufficient system resources, like low RAM or CPU power, can cause Bongo Cat to crash during startup. Let's explore these issues and their solutions in detail to get Bongo Cat up and running smoothly. Bongo Cat requires Java Runtime Environment version 17 or higher to run properly. Without the correct Java version, the application may crash on startup due to compatibility issues. To verify your installed Java version, open your command prompt on Windows or terminal on Mac OS and Linux, then type the command java -version. This will display your current Java version information. If your Java version is below 17, or if Java is not found at all, you need to download and install the latest Java runtime environment. Trusted sources include Adoptium, which provides free OpenJDK builds, or Oracle's official Java downloads. After installing Java, ensure the Java Home environment variable is correctly set to point to your Java installation directory. This prevents class path errors that can cause Bongo Cat to crash. On Windows, you can set this through System Properties, while on Mac OS and Linux, you'll modify your shell profile. Bongo Cat relies on OpenGL 3.3 or later for rendering its visuals. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can lead to startup crashes. To update your drivers, visit the website of your GPU manufacturer such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest drivers for your operating system. Install the drivers and restart your computer. This often resolves GLFW error crashes. Bongo Cat requires access to your system's audio input to function properly. Without the necessary permissions, it cannot capture audio and may crash on startup. On Windows, check your sound settings to ensure your audio devices are enabled and not muted. Open the Sound Control panel and verify that your microphone or audio input is active. Third-party overlays, such as NVIDIA GeForce Experience, can interfere with audio capture and cause crashes. Temporarily disable these overlays to test if they are the source of the problem. Bongo Cat requires a minimum of 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core CPU to run smoothly. Ensure your system meets these minimum requirements. If you're running Bongo Cat on an underpowered system, especially with high-resolution visuals, it can overload and crash. Close unnecessary applications to free up system resources and try again. Consider lowering the visual settings within Bongo Cat if possible. When Bongo Cat crashes on startup, error messages in the logs can provide valuable clues about what's going wrong. Launch Bongo Cat from the command line using this debug command to generate detailed logs. This command outputs comprehensive logs that help pinpoint the exact cause of the crash. As you analyze the logs, watch for specific error messages related to Java runtime, OpenGL graphics drivers, or audio device permissions. These detailed logs are your best friend for troubleshooting. They guide you directly to the dependency or configuration issue causing the problem. Different operating systems may have unique requirements for running Bongo Cat. Let's look at specific fixes for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux to resolve startup crashes. For Windows users, especially after upgrading to Windows 11, update your Java runtime environment to version 21. Also, temporarily disable Windows Defender's real-time protection, as it can interfere with the application's startup. On macOS systems with M1 or M2 chips, crashes often stem from Rosetta emulation. Switch to an ARM-native Java build, such as those provided by Adoptium, to ensure compatibility and eliminate these startup issues. Linux users experiencing Wayland-related crashes should force X11 mode before launching Bongo Cat. Set the environment variable QQPA platform to XCB to bypass Wayland compatibility problems. For additional operating system-specific troubleshooting, refer to the official Bongo Cat wiki or community forums, where users share detailed solutions for various setups. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and Bongo Cat is still crashing, seek help from the Bongo Cat community. Check forums like Reddit's r/BongoCat, the OBS forums, or the official Bongo Cat Discord server. If all else fails, consider exploring alternative audio visualizers like Bonzi Buddy or custom OBS shaders, which may be more compatible with your system. Remember to always download Bongo Cat from the official GitHub repository to avoid malicious forks. Based on community reports, success rates for resolving issues through these channels are high. With community support and alternatives, you can get back to creating amazing content.